Imagine a world where AI agents replace humans in every job, from doctors to teachers, and even your favorite barista. This is not a distant future, but a reality that is rapidly unfolding before our eyes. The rise of AI agents has been met with both excitement and trepidation, as people struggle to understand the implications of this technology. But what happens when AI agents start to replace humans in the workforce? Will we be left with a world where machines do all the work and humans are relegated to a life of leisure? The answer is not a simple yes or no. While AI agents have the potential to automate many jobs, they also have the potential to create new ones. But what about the jobs that are currently at risk? Will we see a mass exodus of humans from the workforce? Or will AI agents be able to adapt and learn to work alongside humans? These are the questions that we will be exploring in this episode.
The concept of AI agents replacing humans in the workforce is not new. In fact, it has been a topic of debate for decades. But with the rapid advancements in AI technology, it's no longer just a hypothetical scenario. AI agents are already being used in various industries, from healthcare to finance and even customer service. But what about the jobs that are currently at risk? Will we see a mass exodus of humans from the workforce, or will AI agents be able to adapt and learn to work alongside humans? According to a recent study, AI agents could replace up to 30% of jobs in the next decade. This is a staggering number, and it's clear that something needs to be done to mitigate the impact of AI on the workforce. But what can be done? Can we train AI agents to work alongside humans, or will they eventually replace us altogether?
The controversy surrounding AI agents replacing humans in the workforce is multifaceted. On one hand, some argue that AI agents are necessary to automate tasks and increase productivity. On the other hand, others argue that AI agents are a threat to human jobs and dignity. But what about the jobs that are currently at risk? Will we see a mass exodus of humans from the workforce? Or will AI agents be able to adapt and learn to work alongside humans? One of the biggest concerns is the issue of bias in AI agents. If AI agents are trained on biased data, they will perpetuate those biases and lead to unfair outcomes. This is a major concern in industries such as law enforcement and healthcare, where bias can have serious consequences. But how can we ensure that AI agents are fair and unbiased?
The future impact of AI agents replacing humans in the workforce is a topic of much debate. Some argue that it will lead to a utopian society where machines do all the work and humans are free to pursue their passions. Others argue that it will lead to a dystopian society where humans are relegated to a life of leisure and machines do all the work. But what about the jobs that are currently at risk? Will we see a mass exodus of humans from the workforce, or will AI agents be able to adapt and learn to work alongside humans? According to a recent study, AI agents could replace up to 30% of jobs in the next decade. This is a staggering number, and it's clear that something needs to be done to mitigate the impact of AI on the workforce.
So, what can we do to mitigate the impact of AI on the workforce? The answer is not a simple one, but it's clear that we need to take action now. We need to invest in education and retraining programs to help workers adapt to the changing job market. We need to implement policies that promote the responsible development and use of AI. And we need to have a national conversation about the future of work and how to ensure that everyone benefits from the advancements in AI. So what do you think? Will AI agents replace humans in every job, or will they work alongside us to create a brighter future? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this episode informative, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and its impact on society. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, be sure to hit that notification bell and join the conversation.